Make up your mind, stop wasting my time. You know we only have one life, one life. One life, one life. One life, one...
Welcome back to my channel. Mari here at The Good Life with M. My husband and I are headed to Seabrook, Washington once again. I'll go ahead and link my other video at Seabrook down below in the description box. But here we are at Springboard Coffee Company located in downtown Aberdeen. We were craving some much needed caffeine, so we found this place, and other than coffee, they serve matcha, tea, and other handcrafted drinks, as well as baked goods and sandwiches. Ingredients for all the food was locally sourced. The staff was really welcoming. They were so nice, very patient with us, and kind of helped us as far as deciding what to order. And one of the patrons that was there was very cute. He told us about his day and was very animated. The interior has kind of this dark, moody vibe and is located inside an old movie theater. I believe the movie theater is going to be opening soon. I'm not sure actually if it's a movie theater or if it was just like a performing arts center or something, but it looked pretty historic and kind of cool.
We are one. I have the patience in my soul, 'cause I know that it's worth it. These affirmations.
We finally reached Seabrook, Washington. Every time we come to this town, it seems like something is different. Since the last time we've been there, they've added new buildings, new storefronts, and I feel like they've added more neighborhoods. During our stay there, we did speak to a couple of the staff members at some of the stores that we visited, and they'd mentioned that Seabrook is continually building and even some of the properties are for sale. So there is a real estate office in town. So if anybody is interested and they want to live in this town, if they're local here in Washington State, hey, check it out. We're now heading to our home site located in the Fernwood neighborhood, which is one of the newest additions to the community of Seabrook. Like all the other homes in the community, our home also has a name. So it's called Glamping in the Woods, where forest charm meets modern luxury. Pulling up in the driveway, you can see that it can fit 2 cars comfortably, and it's a modern farmhouse located on a sizable corner lot. There's a hot tub, a barbecue grill, a fire pit, and also there's an EV charger, which I didn't see because we didn't need to use it, so I wasn't looking for it, but there is one available. And then there's a bunch of black Adirondack chairs, which I believe that's how you say it, and you can place those around the fire pit so you, your family, your friends can hang out. Walking up the main entry here is a nice wraparound porch for those sunny mornings, especially if you want to have some tea or coffee. There's a couple Adirondack chairs there as well. And here, coming around the corner, is the front entry. Heading on back, this is the entry that we mainly use during our stay at this house. And as you can see, it is a keypad entry. This place has the summer I turned pretty vibes. It is such a cute house, and we're in the newest neighborhood, but I don't know if you can see behind me. Look at it, it's beautiful. this is going to be quite the weekend. Okay, this is the pantry here. There's already some items in here that were left behind for anybody staying, but some of the stuff that's in here we brought from home, like some of the spices, this Silpat with the baking sheet. We already have, or they already have baking bakeware here, but I wanted to bring my own because it has a Silpat, and I don't know, I just feel better using our own stuff. That's just a thing of mine. So, but yeah. And then there's games down here for anybody that has kids, which is kind of nice. We might be kid free this weekend, I'm not really sure, but that is what is in their pantry. And then here are some other things that we brought. So as you can see, they do have knives and cookware, and then like a Keurig and a toaster. I did bring some cookies, like a shortbread mix that I wanted to make with some flour sprinkles. If you didn't know, I am a Meghan Markle fan. I know some of y'all hate her, but I love her. And then also I brought some tea because my husband is a tea drinker, and I do love London Fog. It's one of my favorites. This lemon ginger tea from As Ever is really, really good too. And then some Japanese sencha, and then that's ground coffee that they left, or that they gave me at check-in. So yeah, yes, this isn't a Keurig, but it's close. So this is what we have. And then everything else pretty much is provided for us. So it's gonna be kind of hopefully it's gonna be a relaxing weekend. You know, everything about it is just really my style, and I just love the cozy, comfy, clean and bright look. I love the colors, like the bluish teal base cabinetry, and then just the white cabinetry. I don't like things to match as much. I like things to be a little bit more imperfect, which definitely I love about this home. And then you can see here the bench and the table is that what do they call it? Like a raw wood or something like that. Oh my gosh, I lost the name of this, but yeah, I like that raw edge. Yes, raw edge style. So yeah, I love everything about this. And here's another view. I like that they incorporated some art, like wood art, anything that seemingly organic. It's really, really just beautiful. Just taking away from the Northwest type of look, and everything here in the Pacific Northwest has, you know, trees and very nature inspired. So yeah, this is probably one of the cutest beach towns we've ever been to. So if you guys are ever in the Washington State area, check out Seabrook, Washington. So they have these accordion type blinds where you can just kind of touch it if you want to open it, and I think you just pull down, right? Yep, it's just like that. Then if you wanted to open, pretty easy. So I'm gonna close it down for the night. It's day one here in Seabrook.
If you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. I will have more videos in Seabrook, Washington for the duration of our stay. I'm just breaking them up because otherwise it'll be too long. But stay tuned. Until next week, I will have a new video out. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much for your support. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.